Hey, how's it going? Did you just search for making money online legitimately? Well, let me tell you, my name is Michael de la Cruz, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make it happen for yourself and really what are the things that you need, what three things you need in place to make it happen for you. So go ahead and stay tuned to this video all the way to the end because I'm going to be showing you a lot of great stuff. I'm going to share my screen so that way you know exactly what to do. So you will not leave this video without, with not knowing what to do to start making money online legit. So stay tuned. Coming right up. Okay. Well, first of all, I just want to welcome you to the space. If you are a person returning to, to this space right here, just want to say thank you for, for being here and really pretty much learning to really better your life because, I know what I'm doing for myself. I know what I have done, all the success, that I have created online. But now I'm actually passionate in sharing that information with with people, especially with you, because I want people to succeed too. I want people to have the feeling of what is it like to really profit online and be able to be there for the loved ones. Like I do this from the comfort of my home, as you can see, and I'm able to spend time with my wife. There was years ago that I actually couldn't do that. Right, I was have to be stuck to a job that that really didn't allow me to do anything. And when I got home, I was always burnt out. But good, thank God that I found a way out, which is this way of making, an income, making money online legitimately. And this is what I want to teach you today. What are the things that you need in place to make that happen, all right? So with that being said, let's get to it. So what you see here on the screen is basically my channel. Here's my YouTube channel. Um, if I scroll down here, there's a whole bunch of videos that I make about making money online. If you're watching this from YouTube, go ahead and subscribe. That way you don't miss out and that way you stay updated. So subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on the valuable information. Also like this video because it helps it rank on the search engines. It really helps it. So it really helps more people get access to this information. And, and doing that, making the world a better place, because there's a lot of people searching online for ways to make money online that is legit, that is real, and there's a lot of people that need this information, right? I'm very passionate about sharing this because, again, I want to help the world be a better place, and the only way we can do that is by sharing information such the one that we're sharing. So I want to bless and I want to thank this channel for for existing, because that way we can carry this information over to more people. I also want to thank technology. I want to thank the internet, and I want to thank you for viewing this because, again, you watching this video right now tells me that you are serious about changing your life. You want to learn something new, if or you've been doing it, but you want to kind of like learn, see if there's something that you're missing, right? So let's get to it. So that's a resource on my channel. Go to it, subscribe to it, and like the video, like this video because it helps it out. Another resource I'm going to share with you is my blog right here, which is succeedwithmichael.com. Here I share a lot of information too. You go to my blog, click on blog there. I also share stuff how to make money on the internet, affiliate marketing, working from home, a little bit of personal development, a little bit of starting an online business, being your own boss, and a lot of other resources that you can get access to really succeed and really start profiting on the internet, just like I do it, just like many people do it. And again, I cannot stress enough how important this is to this is to me, because it's a good feeling when you're able to help people. It's a good feeling when you can redesign your life, right? That's what I did for myself, so now I'm paying it forward so you can redesign your life to the way that you want it. And they say money doesn't buy you happiness, but neither is being broke. So so what I'm saying with that is that if you want to travel the world, if you want to be able to spend more time with your family at home, create great experiences with them, for them, you're gonna need money for that. So that's why I teach people how to make money on the internet, and really help them succeed. Okay, so with that being said, so Let me go ahead and share a PowerPoint presentation here very quick so you can see, so I can illustrate you what making money online legit is like. So everything, take some notes, get a pen and pencil, take some notes, rewatch this video again if you need to, but this information that I'm sharing with you here is actually what has allowed me to create a successful business online, and really has allowed me to profit online. The way that I do it today. So I want you to be able to get this formula yourself and apply it to yourself, right? And I'm going to show you, if you stay until the end, I'm going to show you how you can get started, how you can start applying this formula and start really profiting on the internet, getting the right training, connecting with the right people, getting trained, getting a mentor that can help you. I'm talking about a 6 to 9 figure mentors that I work with, and get personal training from me too. So let's get to it. So the formula to making legit money online starts with this. So the first thing you need is traffic. The second thing you need is something called an opt-in page, squeeze page. There's different names for it, but really what that page does is capture leads, right? So you're going to be generating leads, and leads are people basically showing interest in what you're offering. Okay, so and then once you get leads, they're gonna go and watch a presentation, and then when they make when they make a decision in what's being offered, because that's what they really want, then guess what? You get paid. Simple as that, right? When somebody doesn't have time to watch the presentation and really get the offer, what you're offering, then you're gonna need something called an autoresponder. Right, and an autoresponder is simply a software that collects people's emails, and that you can actually use to send automated messages that are relevant to the people that are opting in. So let me go back to the illustration. So somebody in here puts their name and email right here in the middle. Somebody here puts their name and email, right? They're going to be added into an autoresponder, okay, as well, before they get to this video. So once they enter name and email, they're going to go to the video presentation or ebook or a download, whatever it is that you're offering. But they're going to get there, and at the same time they're going to be added to an autoresponder that would email this person, this visitor, on your behalf, right? So that's what's called a lead. A person that enters a name and email, or just an email, also gets added into an autoresponder. So that's how you build an email list of people that are actually interested in what you're offering, right? So all you email these people about is stuff that they already opted in for. It's really, really common sense. This is like the legit way that you can make money online. So again, everything starts with traffic, an opt-in page, and then you're going to need a presentation, right? Or they call it sales page, VSL. There's different names for this part right here that I'm pointing at. All right, so this is what you're going to need though to make this happen. First of all, if whatever offer you're offering here has to be something of value that's going to solve that person's problem, right? A good example I always give is weight loss, right? This is traffic. Traffic are simply visitors, people on the internet searching for ways to make money online, or searching for ways to lose weight, right? Somebody's looking for a way to lose weight. They enter on Google. It could be on Facebook. It could be on Twitter. Wherever, it could be from a blog, whatever, wherever that person's coming from, they're looking for a solution. So if they're looking to lose weight, and then this page here says, learn how to lose, learn the secret to losing weight in 5 days. And then right here, the video gives the secret out, right? Provides a solution, and also offers, them to purchase something, right? A product that will solve the problem. Guess what? If that person is really in need, they really want to lose weight, whatever they're offering here that's valuable, that really is of high quality, they're gonna buy into it, right? They're gonna buy it. People are buying stuff on the internet all the time for things that they need that's gonna make their life better. Okay, you gotta understand that. So if something right here really they see that they can, it's gonna benefit them, they're gonna buy, and then you get paid. If they didn't have time, or maybe they're not ready to buy anything, they will buy it on Friday. There's a good chance that if you don't send people to this part right here, and you don't have an autoresponder, that person might forget about what they were looking for, and they would like to go back to it, but they can't because you never capture their information. So that's why you have a opt-in page, that will go into an autoresponder, so you can follow up with them, so you can remind them, hey, look, you click on this link one time, or you went to this website wanting to lose weight. Here's the video again. Here's the offer again. And that's what you're doing with a follow-up, through email, right? You actually follow up through email because they never had time to buy here or look at what you're offering. So that's why you add them, you add them to your email list. Okay, so that's really the simple formula how you can make money legitimate. So you're gonna need a product to do that. You're gonna need something to offer that really solves a problem. You're gonna need a high converting system. The system is composed of these three things right here. It's traffic, it's capture, an opt-in page, and then it has a good video presentation that really explains the offer clearly, right? And a high converting system, what it does, it helps you. It really converts people that are looking, people that are serious. It helps them to get them, to the offer, right? So a good system, a high converting system, really does that on your behalf. It actually also weed out the people that are serious, people that really want to solve their problem, and people that are not really serious, it kind of like puts them out, right? So that's what a good, they also call it sales funnel, does. So that's the second thing. You're gonna need a high converting system, and it's composed of these three things right here that I just explained. And then the third part is you got to learn how to drive traffic of people that are looking for what you're offering. Not just any people. Like if you're offering a training to train dogs, you do not want to send people into your page of something that is about how to train birds, right? Or how to drive a car, or how to fix a computer, right? You don't want to do that. You don't want to send traffic because what's going to happen is that nobody's going to really opt in. You might have you might be seen as somebody that's just spamming if you send traffic of people that is not in the industry of the thing that you're offering. So when you're offering something, make sure that it's something that is in your industry. Make sure that it's serving the market that it's supposed to serve. Like for example, I help people how to market on the internet. So I help network marketers, people that are in companies doing network marketing stuff and want to learn how to take their business online, right? They can do that. I help small businesses get an online presence, right? You can learn all these skills yourself, and then really teach this stuff, on the internet and help a lot of people. You can offer that through this. Somebody's searching how can I create a blog? How can I create a website? You can actually get people that are searching for that into this page. Hey, learn how to make a blog, and then right here on the presentation, you can be like, hey, if you want to get a blog, done for you, I can help you with that. These are, go ahead and get on a call with them, or get a meeting set up, or simply buy a training course that you might be selling, and you can just explain from start to finish, how do you start a blog, right? You can do that, or maybe you can do a done for you service. Maybe you can build a blog for them and then have a charge for the service, right? So we're in the industry of helping people, and that's what's gonna really get you making money legit, right? If you're helping enough people on the internet, you're gonna make money, right? Because people are searching for solutions all the time. They're searching for things. People are buying shoes online because they want shoes, they need shoes. People are buying weight loss products all the time on the internet. People are buying cameras. People are buying different things. Now, setting this thing up, which is the part I want to get, setting this stuff yourself is gonna really take time if you're starting out. I'm just gonna be very transparent about this. I gotta be serious about it, because if you're starting out and you expect to create create this funnel right here, something like this, or learn about driving traffic and things like that, it's gonna take you a long time. That's when I started. It was for me like that. I didn't have a clue how I was gonna make money. I know there was people making money. I know that I wanted to make money because I saw it as a way out from where I was, but I had no clue that how to even set things up. So what I did is I started with affiliate marketing. I'm still doing it till today. Why? Because it actually takes all of the how to, all the thinking, all the stress, out of your brain, really. Because with affiliate marketing, 90% of the work is done for you. All you have to do is focusing on the 10%. You want to know what that 10% is? That 10% is traffic. So the when you find a good affiliate program, you're gonna have a done for you. You should give you a done for you opt-in page, and they give you a done for you presentation attached to that, to that page. And they will also follow up for, they will follow up with your leads on your behalf too. So your leads will be followed up on your behalf. Isn't that like a no-brainer? Why wouldn't people do affiliate marketing, right? That's the best way that you can start making money online legitimate, because 90% of the work is done for you. All you have to do is learn how to promote, which a good program will have a lot of good training on that. Okay, so that's a training for today. If you really were looking for a way to making money online legitimately, this is the best way to do it. This is the best way to do it with this formula right here. Now, if you want to know what is my #1 recommendation, what I recommend for you to start with, that has everything done for you, even done for you traffic, go ahead and click the link below this video. Click the link below this video, and basically it's that first link that says my #1 recommendation. Click that link and get access to the information. It's gonna show you a video that is gonna really teach you how you can start making money online, how you can get started today, right? It's from from one of my business partners, so he's a good friend of mine. But go ahead and take a look at that video and see for yourself how you can get started today, and basically see what I do, how I make money on the internet. It's a good affiliate program, and they're gonna teach you everything you need to know on how to make money online. They're gonna train you. You're gonna be in good hands. You're gonna be connected with people that know what they're doing, people that taught me, what I do today, and they're really they're 6 to 9 figure earners. That's all I gotta say, right? Because you want to learn from people that actually are there where you want to be. If you want financial advice, you want to seek out financial advice from a person that's highly successful in finances. If you want any relationship advice, you look with a person that has a healthy relationship, right? You don't want to go to somebody that just read a book on how to make money online, or how to be in a good relationship, or somebody that's single, how to be in a good relationship, because they're single, they don't have any idea, right? So it's best to learn from people that are walking the talk, not just people that are just talking the talk, just talking to talk. You don't want to listen. You don't want to follow people that are just talking. You want people that are actually doing things, right? So that's my advice for you. That's my tip for the day. So to learn more about what I do and how you can get started making money online legit, this is my #1 recommendation. Go ahead and click the link below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.